Hey, welcome to Tool Optics. Today we're going to have a look at how to use a drill. This is going to be an absolute beginner's video and we're going to do it in 4 easy steps. If you've never used a drill before, then this is the video you need to watch. Step 1 is just buying the equipment that you need. You need a drill, a charger and a battery. You'll also need to buy a set of drill bits and some screwdriver bits. Step 2 is to charge up the battery. The button in the front will show you the battery level. 4 bars is full, 1 bar is empty. Simply turn on the battery charger, plug in the battery into the top and wait until the light stops flashing, and then your battery will be fully charged. When it's charged, you can remove the battery from the charger. Different manufacturers have different shaped batteries and different chargers, but they all work pretty much the same way. You just simply plug in the battery and wait until the charger says the battery's full. When the battery's full, clip the battery into the bottom of the drill. Step 3 is inserting the drill bit or the screwdriver bit. On the front of your drill, you have a chuck, which as you turn it, it tightens 3 arms, which will grip the drill bit firmly. Simply put in the drill bit and tighten the chuck until it doesn't move anymore. Make sure that you don't put the drill bit in at an angle. It needs to be perfectly straight. If you're inserting a screwdriving bit, you use the same process. Tighten the chuck until it's firmly in place. Step 4 is to drill the hole or to screw in the screw. If you're drilling, you need to turn the clutch, which is just behind the chuck. You need to turn the clutch to drill mode, and then you can select the speed with the switch on the top, either speed 1 or speed 2. If you're drilling a hole, make sure that you hold the drill at 90 degrees to your work surface. You don't want to be drilling in, moving the drill around at different angles. Take a firm grip on the drill, don't push too hard, let the drill do the work, and keep drilling as you push in and pull out the drill bit. When screwing in screws, you need to adjust the clutch for the depth that you want the screw to go into. If you put the clutch on a very low setting, you'll find that the screw won't go deep into the wood. In the second screw, I've adjusted the clutch a little bit higher, so I put the number higher, and you'll see that the screw goes a little bit deeper. In the third screw, I've adjusted the clutch to an even higher number, and you'll see that the screw will go below the work surface. Another thing to learn to use is the variable speed trigger. The further in you pull the trigger, the higher the speed of the drill. That's the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I hope it's given you your first steps into learning to use a drill. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel, and in the next video we'll have a look at some more advanced features on drilling. God bless.